Well, being on a construction site, it's a stigma for men not being able to speak up or show emotion or anything like that. You're a little girl or a little guy or whatever. Like if you try to speak up and tell people how you really feel, and I feel like that's a massive void in our society. That's why I'm creating this community brand lifestyle about Bless Up, to get everyone to coming together. Being on a construction site can be pretty intimidating for a young man or even a teenager, being around older people. But I found that void in society where it's that stigma of being able to not speak up or show emotions to anything or anyone.